these are the nails that I'm doing. These are supposed to be waves. I'm not like super thrilled with how it turned out, but if you could do a better job, I envy you because I tried. It's to correspond with the little fish and, you know, makeshift bubbles, seaweed, whatnot, the whole like ocean deal. So I thought, okay, go for waves. What I've already done on these two nails, I put one coat of this shimmery like green, like iridescent sort of light green, and the name got rubbed off, but I believe it was like mermaid or something that had the name mermaid in it. And this is Nina Ultra Pro, and I got this from Sally's Beauty Supply. I'm going to start with the wave on the pinky. First I'm taking this matte, or I guess cream, no shimmer, light baby blue. And this is a miginail art pen. And then just sort of like freehand drawing the shape, like the basic shape of the wave. And I want it to curl this way. So I'm going to come from the bottom. And then I'm going to take a dark blue, and this I got from downtown LA, and then just outline the wave. And then with the turquoise, just gonna go in and highlight randomly. I did it in different places on each nail. And then same thing with the white. So that's it for the wave. You know, again, not perfect, but you get it. And now for the ring finger with all the fishies. Again, I've got that one coat of that shimmery light green. And I'm going to use this glitter. It's like a turquoisey glitter. And this is obviously NYX or NYX nail polish. And the name of it is Aqua Glitter. And now going back with the baby blue. Go back and just French tip it. The second color on the tip is going to be this dark blue glitter, and the brand is called Mia's Secret. I got this from downtown LA. And then just tip the bottom of the blue. Now going back with the turquoise, draw the little seaweed deals, just make little squiggly lines. Short one on both sides. And then I'm going to go back with my darkest blue and then just draw a line in between. Now for the fishies. So I got this in downtown LA. The name of the store is Downtown Beauty. And then I'm just gonna stick them on using my finger. For the bubbles slash rhinestones, just taking my blue. Doesn't have to be really visible. It's just something for the rhinestones to hold on to. And making little dots. And of course, after that, add your top coat and be done. Alright, thank you for watching and subscribing if you have. Bye!